ISBD requires that an information resource be totally identified by the descriptions, independence of any access point, and its content at least its area or its elements. There are two things especially to remember when using ISBD for creating surrogate records. First, ISBD punctuations is prescribed and it precedes and predicts the data element that comes next. For example, a space slash space in area 1 say that the statements of responsibility is coming next. Second, each area contains more than one element, so the order of data is prescribed. Based on the slides, the descriptions is divided into 8 following areas. Area number 1, title and statements of responsibility. The title proper is assigned to the information package by persons responsible for its existence. It consists of the title proper, GMD or General Material Designations, parallel title if any, and other title if any, and then followed by statements of responsibility, which mean the author or several authors or corporate bodies. Element number 2, additions area. It is a statement about the versions of the information package. Number 3, material specific details. A data or informations about particular types of information package. For example, scale of maps or numberings of a particles. Next, publications, distributions, productions area. It is the names of the entity that is responsible for the representations and packaging of the informations, normally represented by publisher and place of publications informations. Number 5, physical descriptions. A descriptions about physicals of the information packages. For example, number of pages, numbers of CDs or items issued as a unit, and their dimensions. Next, series area. The titles of any series of which the information package is parts of the series. And not all publications have series. So you need to verify first before using these descriptions. Number 7, notes area. Added information that you want to describe and provide about the informations packages. And finally, resource notes area. Finally, number 8, standard numbers and terms of availability. It's also referred as resource identifier. Resource identifier is the numbers recorded in the area internationally agreed standard numbers. For example, ISBN and ISSN number. ISBN stands for International Standard Books Number and ISN is the National Standard Serial Number. This is the ISBD outline for monograph. Please take notes and observe the symbol, punctuations, and information to describe about your informations packages. And this is the layouts of catalog records as we learned in our previous lecture. Catalog records normally consist of 4 components. Number 1, the main entry heading, which normally the authors of the books or information packages. Number 2, descriptions, which consists of title proper, other title, or statements of responsibility, followed by addition statements if any, statements of responsibility if the books is parts of the editions or related to the editions, and then place of publications, the publishers, years of publications, and there's also physical descriptions which includes illustrations if any, dimensions, and series, the numbers of series, and then notes areas and ISBN. Component number 3 is your tracing, which consists of subject heading and added entry. I have discussed this in our class. And finally, the call number. Call number consists of DDC or LCC, and it depends on your library. And this is the example of catalog card which using the main entry, a personal name as their main entry. And again, please take notes the punctuations and symbols.